and other pets, your bird can get along with other pets. Be careful. Dogs, cats like to hump birds.
Hump birds?
Hunt birds. You'll have to teach each other pets not to hurt you. You'll have to teach other pets not to hurt your bird. Another bird is the best animal friend for your bird. Some birds get lonely without a bird buddy.
Mom, what?
Your bird's life. The larger the pet bird, the longer it lives. Some cockatoos can live up to 65 years. I don't know the name of that bird.
Say it.
Canaries.
You can't say canaries?
I wasn't sure if that was it. Budgies and cockatails live between 10-20 years. No matter how long your bird lives, always need your care and love. Wild relatives. About 200 years ago, people began to pet parrots and keep them as pets. Until then, parrots live in the wild. Parrots' wild relatives still live in the wild. Today, most pet birds come from people who raise them from babies.
I want a parrot.
We raise it from baby. That way, wild
I want
birds
a parrot.
get to stay wild. Decode your bird's behavior. If it stops eating, talking, or playing, your bird may be sick. Noisy or talking bird usually means happy bird. Pet birds that feel safe like to make noise. Birds flap their wings for many reasons. Sometimes pet birds lie in place for exercise. Other times, birds flap wings to get attention. Attention. Birds are the only pet that wag their tails. Do they have tails? Birds may wag tail to show happy.
It said birds are the
and
only
to
pet?
see their owners. Birds aren't.
Oh, aren't.
No only pet. Yuck. Bird vomit in cage? It's sick? Probably not. Budgies and cockatails sometimes. Nope. Birdies and cockatails show they are bonded with you by trying to share their food.
Tori had Chinese food today, by the way,
You want to read
Chase.
the glossary? Mimic. To copy, look,
No, you don't.
action, or behavior of another animal. Read it again.
No!
Okay, one more time.
Oh, I want a bird.
Caring for your bird.
No! No!
Okay, one more time.
It takes a minute.
What? A bird? Birds. Be great pets.
Go back to the
Birds,
other Russian
not-
accent.
I don't know how I did it. Birds can be great pets. I don't know how I did it. Birds.
Ow!
Birds can be great pets. Birds are small.